Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. This is the setup now. Terrence is because he's not feeling good because of his what do you call that? Abstin? Not abstin. She got wound on his tooth. Absti? I don't know. Come on, go away. Cat? Come on, I'm gonna eat. Go away on that. Yeah, this is our setup now until Nanay's house is finished. Come on. Sorry, but our cat are our family. So I'm gonna get a little rice. Shh! Turtle! Turtle! Come on. Go. Just a little rice. Turtle! It's high-tech. And that's the rice there. I only ate rice, a little rice now. Of course, Nanay tied this one unang danggit. We tied it because these cats are really weird. Yeah. Here. Sabaw sa inuunan. The reasons why there's a leaves of the banana so that it will divide and at the same time it's easy to pick up because this is a small fish, so it's also to prevent not to broken. We're gonna put this one, we're gonna put it inside. Okay, and then what we're gonna do so that this cat will not bother me, I'm gonna close the door. Yeah, it's watching television. Later on I'm gonna bring some vegetable to Terrence because we got some left. Terrence is not eating rice as much as possible. That's Nanay there.
Hi.
Why you didn't go to church, Nanay? Nanay didn't.
Because no truck.
Yeah, Nanay didn't go to church. It's because he's not allowed to walk far yet. Dogs. Pogi, it's early in the morning. Pogi, you're here. You're here, Pogi. It's 11 o'clock now. You're okay? Okay, sleep. This is our setup in our house. He's reading there. And breakfast.
I already had it, honey.
Do you have? Who
Yes.
gave you?
Maybe.
Bibi give you that?
Maybe gave me exactly that. But with more soup, which I can take at the moment. Because I can't eat another one.
Yeah, you're very hot. I think it's because
I got
of
a
your...
fever.
Yeah, you got a fever. Because of the infection on your tooth.
I got an abscess up here in the tooth, which if it keeps on growing, it may fill my mouth. Which a lot of people will say it's a good thing if it stops me talking. But this one is for you, honey. It was sent up for you, not me. I already had mine and enjoyed it very much.
Okay.
This, just show this. This is what we are pretty well living on at the moment. It's got all kinds of vegetables in it. And in there, I know that the purists will say, oh no, it's got sardines in there. Well, no big deal. It's better than all the red meat, pork, Coca-Cola, and God knows what else that we used to eat. And are no longer eaten.
Yeah. Although although I miss having, Jollibee. I miss having
crumbled a few
sinigang.
times. I
But
must